Okay, you guys are gonna love this. Faulkner Fixes All does not wimp out. Test ride, we have to have it. Helmet. The conditions call for a helmet today. Okay, we got it converted to upright. And yeah, we don't wimp out here. No wimping. And it's fixed gear. Fixed gear in the snow with 28C tires. Woo! Dude! Yeah, I don't know if this was such a good idea. I keep wanting to coast. Remember when you're riding a fixed gear, don't coast. Ow, that was a twig. Okay, good thing I had that helmet on. That twig would have really hurt. Yes, we don't wimp out here at Faulkner Fixes All. We give you the finest in entertainment. I don't think I'm going to hit the berm pile today. I don't think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to turn around over here. Oh, we got to do it. Oh, you know we got to do it, folks. Ow. You know I had to do it, right? Oh man, it's really windy out here. Woo! Okay, we're testing it out. We converted it to upright. We don't wimp here at Faulkner Fixes All. We give you the ultimate. You saw it here first. An idiot riding his super sport in snow. And it's a fixed gear. I keep forgetting, I keep trying to coast. Woo, wow. This thing is really nimble too. Can't wait to test this on a good day. Here's an ice patch. I think we're gonna avoid the ice patch. Woo, dude. That was really fun. Exhilarating. Okay, we're back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day on that one, folks. It's really nimble. It handles very well. The gearing is good. Back brake, I think I gotta adjust the back brake a little. Oh, it's one-handing it. We're gonna make it. I'll show you the exhaust work I did the other day in this black truck here. Yeah, I got under there and before the snow came, I was getting a little dizzy with all the carbon monoxide coming in the cab. So I got into here when the ground wasn't, well, the ground was still frozen actually. And we did all this business. It was just exiting right there on the end of the muffler. And we decided to bring it on out here. Yeah. And that's the stock location for trucks with the spare tire that goes underneath there. So with that low exhaust there, I could put the spare back where it goes. I don't think I will. Not today anyway. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and hope you've enjoyed our little super sport snow ride. I will be taking this to Bent Creek when it's nicer out. Obviously today is not the day. Hey, have a good day. Hope you're doing well. Stay warm.